Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write birthday invitation letter for your friend in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. By the way, when you are going to write this particular letter for your best friend, let us know in the comment section below. First, start with the address. Here for example I am writing Shanti Nagar, New Delhi. After this, mention the date on which you are writing the letter. For example, here I have mentioned 11th April 2025. Next, write the name of your friend. Here for example I am writing Dear Khushi. I hope you are doing well. I am writing this letter to invite you to my birthday party on mention the date and time. The celebration will be held at, here mention the venue of the birthday party or your home address. And it would mean a lot to me if you could be there. In the next paragraph, there will be fun games, delicious food, music and lots of surprises. The party won't be complete without you. So, please make sure to come and celebrate with me. I can't wait to have a great time with you. let me know if you can make it. Looking forward to see you soon. Yours lovingly, write your name.